Aquaponics is a sustainable farming practice that combines aquaculture and hydroponics. While it offers many benefits, there are some common mistakes that people often make when starting out. In this video, we will discuss 9 of these mistakes and how to avoid them. One of the most common mistakes in aquaponics is overstocking the fish tank. It's important to remember that the fish produce waste, which is converted into nutrients for the plants. If there are too many fish in the tank, it can lead to excessive waste production, poor water quality, and stressed fish. It's crucial to calculate the appropriate stocking density based on the fish species and tank size. Another mistake to avoid is having an insufficient grow bed area. The plants in an aquaponics system rely on the grow bed to receive the nutrients from the fish waste. If the grow bed is too small, there won't be enough space for the plants to grow properly, resulting in stunted growth and poor yields. Ensuring a proper ratio between the fish tank and grow bed size is essential for a successful aquaponics system. Water filtration is crucial in maintaining a healthy aquaponics system. Lack of proper filtration can lead to the accumulation of waste and toxins, which can harm the fish and plants. It's important to choose the right filtration system for your setup and regularly monitor its effectiveness. Additionally, incorporating mechanical, biological, and chemical filtration methods can help ensure optimal water quality. Maintaining the proper pH levels is essential for the well-being of both the fish and plants in an aquaponics system. Fish and plants have different pH preferences, and if the pH is too high or too low, it can cause stress and hinder nutrient uptake. Regularly testing and adjusting the pH to the appropriate range is crucial for a thriving system. Overfeeding the fish is a common mistake that can lead to various problems in an aquaponics system. Excessive fish food can contribute to nutrient imbalance, poor water quality, and clogged filtration systems. It's important to feed the fish the right amount of food based on their nutritional needs and use feed that is specifically formulated for aquaponics. Pest and disease management is crucial for the health of your aquaponics system. Ignoring pests and diseases can quickly lead to crop failure and fish health issues. Implementing preventive measures such as regular inspections, quarantine protocols, and natural pest control methods can help prevent and manage these issues effectively. Adequate oxygenation is vital for the fish and plants in an aquaponics system. Insufficient oxygen levels can lead to fish stress, reduced plant growth, and increased susceptibility to diseases. Proper aeration and oxygenation methods, such as air stones and surface agitation, should be employed to ensure optimal oxygen levels in the system. Regular monitoring and maintenance are essential for a successful aquaponics system. Neglecting these tasks can result in unnoticed issues that can quickly escalate and cause system failure. Monitoring water parameters, checking for any signs of problems, and performing routine maintenance tasks are critical for the long-term success of your system. Finally, being patient and having realistic expectations is important in aquaponics. It takes time for the system to establish a balanced ecosystem, and results may not be immediate. It's crucial to understand the natural processes and allow the system to mature gradually. With patience and realistic expectations, you can enjoy the benefits of a thriving aquaponics system.